Hey there! Welcome back to the Money Making Pals channel, where we help you achieve financial freedom one step at a time. In today's video, we're diving deep into how to set up automatic financial success. Imagine a life where your money works for you, not the other way around. Sounds amazing, right? Well, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to make that dream a reality. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new opportunity to make money online. Make sure to watch until the end, as I always save the best for last. We're going to walk you through the step-by-step process of creating a system that automatically manages your finances, grows your wealth, and reduces stress. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your financial game, this video is for you. Let's get started. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, it's crucial to get your mindset right. Setting up automatic financial success isn't just about setting and forgetting. It's about making a long-term commitment to your future self. Think of it like planting a tree. It takes time to grow, but once it's there, it provides shade and fruit for years to come. Your financial success is like that tree. The seeds you plant today will grow into something that supports you for life. The key here is to shift from a short-term, instant gratification mindset to a long-term, wealth-building mentality. It's about consistency, patience, and understanding that small actions now can lead to massive results later. When it comes to money, it's important to have the right mindset. And now that you're in the right mindset, let's talk about the magic of automation. Why is automation so important? Well, humans are emotional creatures. We might overspend when we're happy or stressed, and sometimes we just forget to save or invest. Automation removes those human flaws from the equation. With automation, your financial decisions are made by a system, not by your emotions. You set it up once, and then it runs in the background, ensuring that your financial goals are met without you having to lift a finger. Think of automation as your financial autopilot. It handles the boring but crucial tasks like paying bills, saving money, and investing for the future. This frees up your mental energy to focus on other important areas of your life, like growing your income or spending quality time with your loved ones. The first step in setting up automatic financial success is to automate your income streams. This might sound complex, but it's simpler than you think. Let's break it down. Most people have a primary income stream, like a salary, but relying on just one income stream can be risky. What if something happens to that job? The goal here is to diversify and automate multiple income streams. These could include a side hustle, rental income, dividends from investments, or even royalties from creative work. Start by identifying potential additional income streams that align with your skills and interests. Then, set up systems to make these streams as passive as possible. For example, if you're into photography, you could sell stock photos online and receive passive income every month. Once you've established these streams, automate the process of transferring this income into your main financial system, which we'll discuss next. Saving money is the foundation of financial success. But let's be honest, it's easy to forget or make excuses not to save. That's where automation comes in. Set up automatic transfers from your main account to separate savings accounts each time you get paid. This could be for an emergency fund, a vacation, or even retirement. The key here is to make it automatic so you don't even have to think about it. For example, you could set up a rule that 20% of your income goes directly into your savings accounts the moment it hits your checking account. Over time, these savings will grow, and you'll have a cushion for life's unexpected events or planned splurges. Remember, the goal is to save consistently, even if it's a small amount. It all adds up over time, and you'll be amazed at how quickly your savings grow when you automate the process. Next up is investing, one of the most powerful ways to build wealth. But here's the thing, you don't need to be a stock market genius to start investing. You just need to automate it. One of the best strategies for investing is called dollar cost averaging. This means investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the market conditions. The beauty of this approach is that it reduces the impact of market volatility and ensures that you're consistently growing your portfolio. To set this up, choose an investment platform or app that allows automatic contributions. You can link it to your checking account and set a specific amount to be invested every month, week, or even day. You could also automate contributions to a retirement account like a 401k or IRA. Whether it's in stocks, bonds, or index funds, automating your investments ensures that your money is consistently working for you, building wealth in the background while you go about your life. Now, let's talk about expenses. Managing your bills and expenses manually can be stressful and time-consuming. But guess what? You can automate this too. Start by listing all your recurring bills: rent or mortgage, utilities, insurance, subscriptions, and credit card payments. Then, set up automatic payments for each of these. Most banks and service providers allow you to do this directly through their websites. By automating your bill payments, you avoid late fees, maintain a good credit score, and most importantly, reduce the mental load of remembering all these due dates. Just make sure you have enough in your checking account to cover these automatic payments. To manage your day-to-day expenses, consider using a budgeting app that tracks your spending automatically. This way, you'll always know where your money is going without having to track every penny manually. By now, you've set up a robust system that automates your income, savings, investments, and expenses. But here's a crucial step: regular reviews and adjustments. Schedule a quarterly financial review. During these check-ins, assess how your automated systems are performing. Are your savings growing as expected? Are your investments on track? Are there any unnecessary expenses you can cut? Think of it like a pilot checking their instruments during a flight. Everything might be on autopilot, but regular checks ensure that you're still on course. As life changes, your financial goals might shift too. Maybe you got a raise, had a baby, or decided to start a new business. Whatever the change, adjust your automatic systems to reflect your new goals. The beauty of automation is that once you set it up, tweaking it is easy and takes just a few minutes. Let's talk about one of the most powerful forces in finance: compounding. This is where your money not only earns returns, but those returns earn returns too. The longer you leave your money invested, the more powerful compounding becomes. Even small regular contributions can grow into substantial amounts over time thanks to this effect. That's why starting early and automating your investments is so crucial. For example, if you invest just $200 a month with an average return of 7%, in 30 years you could have over $227,000. That's the power of compounding working for you. The earlier you start and the more consistent you are, the bigger your financial tree will grow. Remember, time is your best friend when it comes to building wealth. The sooner you start, the more time you give your money to grow. Of course, no system is without its challenges. You might encounter some hurdles as you set up your automated financial success, but don't worry, I've got some tips to help you overcome them. One common challenge is not having enough funds to automate savings or investments. If this is the case, start small. Even automating $10 a week can make a difference. As your income grows, increase the amounts. Another challenge is the fear of losing control. It's natural to feel uneasy about letting go, but remember that automation doesn't mean you're not in control. It just means you're making smarter, more efficient decisions. You can always adjust your settings if something doesn't feel right. Finally, technical issues can arise, like a missed payment or a transfer that doesn't go through. Keep an eye on your accounts, especially in the beginning, and be ready to troubleshoot. Over time, these systems become smoother and more reliable. Now, let's talk about the reward for all this hard work: living a financially stress-free life. When your finances are automated, you can focus on what truly matters: enjoying life, pursuing your passions, and spending time with loved ones. You'll no longer have to worry about whether you're saving enough, investing wisely, or paying bills on time. Your system takes care of all that, allowing you to live your life with peace of mind. Imagine waking up every day knowing that your financial future is secure, your bills are paid, your savings are growing, and your investments are compounding. That's the ultimate goal of setting up automatic financial success. It takes some upfront effort, but the payoffs are well worth. You just need to take action today. So take that first step today, start small, stay consistent, and let automation work its magic. Your future self will thank you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on achieving financial freedom. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below. What steps are you taking to automate your financial success? Until next time, Keep building that financial freedom one step at a time. See you in the next video.